this video. So we're going to look at the digestive system. Now, before I start answering the questions, for those who want to join my WhatsApp tuitions, feel free to join me. You can contact me using this number here. Just at an affordable price, that is 100 kwacha for GCE per subject and 120 for internal per subject. Right, so the question is saying figure 3.1 shows the digestive system. So we have part I, which is the salivary gland. So I can line that one. This is the salivary gland. So what is the function of the salivary gland? Secreting amylase. Then amylase act on starch or carbohydrates. Then for A is the esophagus. The esophagus. So esophagus is more like a passage where the food passes, or the bolus passes into, or it connects the oral cavity, which is the mouth, and the stomach. And that is where most of the peristalsis take place. Then also of structure H, which is the gallbladder. So that is the gallbladder. The gallbladder. So the function of gallbladder is to stop bowel. And the G is the liver. What about the function of the liver? Liver has main function, metabolic function. Production of bowel, production of heat, production of red blood cells, destruction of red blood cells. Now, production of red blood cells in infant. Then apart from that one, detoxification of poisonous or alcohols. And then for B is the stomach. So the stomach has a lot of function, secretion of hormones. Okay, like gastrin. So gastrin is very important. It's a very important hormone which stimulates the secretion of hydrochloric acid as well as intrinsic factors. So intrinsic factors are the ones which help in the absorption of vitamin B12 in the small intestine. Apart from that one, secretion of hydrochloric acid, secretion of pepsin. So pepsin is secreted in form of pepsinogen, and that one is an example of a protease enzyme. Then this is the pancreas. So pancreas has two functions, falling under endocrine as well as the exocrine. For endocrine, it secretes hormones, that is glucagon as well as insulin. And then when it comes to exocrine, it secretes the digestive enzymes like the pancreatic juice as well as lipase. Okay, then for D, this one of course the descending colon, but I'm just going to say the colon, specifically the descending colon, where the absorption of water and electrolytes takes place. And then for F is the ileum, but I'm just going to say the small intestine, because we know to say that the ileum is part of the small intestine. So in the small intestine, that is where the absorption of nutrients takes place. Then the last part, this one is the anus. Right. So use the letters from figure 3.1 to identify one place where each process occurs. So amylase is secreted from which place? So amylase is secreted from part I, which is the salivary gland. Then lipase is secreted by which part? The pancreas. So I'm just going to say C. Then the next one is saying protease is secreted by which part? So protease is secreted by part B, which is the stomach. Protease, an example of protease is pepsin, which is secreted in form of pepsinogen, and it is activated by hydrochloric acid. Then also of bowel is formed, where bowel is formed. So bowel is formed from the liver, which is G, and stored in the gallbladder. So we can say G. Then hydrochloric acid is released. So hydrochloric acid is released from the stomach, which is B. So I'm also going to say B here. So thanks for watching and see you next time.